Next, I want to show you all how you can prep some garlic. So one of my favorite things, I'm usually not the biggest person on like getting little kitchen tools, things like that. Maybe it's because I was a chef and I'm like, I can do everything myself. But this is one of the greatest tools that I've ever come across. It is just a silicone tube and it helps take the peel off of garlic and it works magically. So I would recommend getting one of these. You can get 2 of them for like $4, and they're awesome. Now, if you don't have one of these tubes and you need to kind of get the peel off of garlic, you're just going to break one of the cloves off. Now, you take this. I also like to find times through my cooking that I can let aggression out, right? We all have it. We all got to let it out at some time. And kind of prepping garlic can be one of those great times. You put the clove down on your cutting board. You're going to take the back end of your knife along with the palm of your hand, and you're just going to press, right? Now that is going to release your garlic. So a little garlic right there. Now with it, you can slice it, you can mince it. We had some minced garlic on the cutting board before. So if we want to mince it, this is another time to play that music. It's going to really actually help. So just taking your garlic and you're going to first do little slices. And then you're going to take your hand right on the top of your knife and just go through the garlic, going back and forth, and it's going to get smaller and smaller. You might pull it off the knife, keep going down. And then you have this beautiful minced garlic. Now, the more you cut up the garlicier something is going to be. Another really good little trick with garlic is cut it up about 10 to 15 minutes before you're going to use it. What this is going to do is it's going to allow the garlic to interact with the oxygen. It has this property in it called alanine. And when it hits oxygen, it turns to allicin. And that is a very, very potent anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory property that really helps protect our body. It's actually one of those things that allow plants have a way of turning alanine into allicin to ward off infectious bacteria. And so I always kind of think of garlic in the terms of like garlic warding off vampires. And right when we ingest the garlic and the little infectious bacteria, like the vampires that want to kind of go and feed on us, and they go running, right? Because that allicin, which is also in onions, really helps kind of get rid of those infectious bacteria. So really quickly, I just want to show you how to use one of these little tubes. If you happen to have one, or if you want to get one, which I highly recommend because they're amazing. So you just kind of break your cloves out. And so you take one clove, you put it directly into the tube, and you just roll. And then, oh, it's almost there. Yeah. Of course, the one that I demo didn't work as well as all of the ones I do at home all the time. So just keep rolling it. And then there we go. So just roll it, let your aggression out, right? Keep going, keep going. And then you have a nice, beautiful, beautiful clove. So these are really great, right? If you want to keep whole garlic. And so you don't want to do the smashing process, because sometimes peeling garlic without smashing it can be really, really difficult. It can be hard to kind of get all that peel. So that's where these tubes come into play. And they can be really great.